Hey guys, it's Daijir. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing Spooktorial episode 6, and in this episode we're going to be doing a Scarlet Witch inspired makeup look. Scarlet Witch Wanda Maximoff inspired. Actually it's more Scarlet Witch because like the way that the eyeshadow is going to be is kind of how I interpret her powers, like WandaVision, all that good stuff. So I just was really into WandaVision. It's like one of my favorite shows of all time, especially like it literally just came out and it's like one of my favorite shows. I think it's so amazing. So I really just wanted to do a Scarlet Witch inspired makeup look. Every time I do inspired makeup looks, it's basically like something that doesn't usually have makeup or crazy things on the face. So like take Scarlet Witch for example, she doesn't have on a lot of makeup and stuff, but this is kind of my interpretation of how I see her powers, her headpiece, all that good stuff as like an item. So I will look at that and kind of like create something in my head of what interprets, like I said, everything like about her being, and then make it into like an eye look. I know it seems kind of like weird, but like that's just something that I really like doing and I've always liked doing. I don't know if you guys noticed, like I'll do like inspired looks and it's like, but that person or thing isn't necessarily wearing makeup or doesn't have something that's very specific on the face that you can like recreate with makeup, but it's still kind of like it still kind of like gives you the vibe of it, if that makes sense. So basically we're going to be doing a Scarlet Witch inspired makeup look. I'm gonna stop rambling, so if you guys want to see that, and just keep on watching. Okay, so as you guys can see, I just made my brows red. It's just kind of something that I wanted to do just to like go with the whole look and everything. So I did that. I made a face chart. Here's the face chart. Like I was saying in the intro, this is kind of like how I interpret, I keep wanting to say Wanda because it is Wanda, but like Scarlet Witch as a whole. And I also have these pictures of like her with her powers. As you can see, it's like red, like white lines. There's just a lot of like, you know what I mean? So this is kind of like where the pictures that I was looking at to get the eye look kind of came from. So yeah, I hope this is all making sense. You know, just because she's not wearing the specific makeup that I'm going to be doing, this is kind of like my interpretation of the Scarlet Witch. So let's just get started. Like if I keep trying to explain why I did this look, we'll be here until Halloween. So let's just get started. So first I'm going to prime my eyes with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the shade C10. I'm going to blend that out with a Morphe sponge. Also, I kind of like do this a lot, but I feel like it's obvious. Like I try to make it pretty obvious when I do it. Sometimes I don't do it a lot, but sometimes my thumbnails are like obviously edited. So like in this one, it'll be like I'll have magic in my hand. That's obviously edited. Like I'm not a magical being and I don't have like a piece of costume that can make it look like that. Also in the Lava Girl one, like I had lava type powers coming out of my hand, that was edited. Like some things I edit on, but like I try to make it pretty obvious. Like I was saying, obviously I don't have Scarlet powers, so I just wanted to let you guys know that, just because like I don't know, some people may think it's like clickbait or something, I don't know. So I'm going to take the Beauty Bay, ignore how dirty this palette is. Like I'm so disgusted with myself, but like it's Spooktorial season and I've just been using this palette for like everything, and like just don't judge me. Okay, so we're gonna take the Beauty Bay EYN 42 color palette, and I'm gonna take Hot Stuff and I'm gonna put that into the crease. I'm gonna take Cherry on that same brush and put it into the crease again. And I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette, and I'm going to take the third red in the palette and put that into the crease as well on a Morphe M441 brush. Now I'm going to take the darkest red and dip into a little bit of the black and put that into the crease just to darken it up a little bit, deepen it up. Now I'm going to cut my crease, and we are going to be using the same concealer that I used to prime my eyes, which is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, like I said earlier. And we're going to take that on a Morphe 124 brush. After I cut my crease with that other concealer, now I'm going to take a lighter concealer, which is the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. Okay. And I'm going to take White Lies from the Beauty Bay palette and just set the lid with that so it doesn't crease. I hope this looks red because it's looking like pink on camera, but in real life it looks red. But so now I'm going to do the little like white lines, kind of that like are in the middle of her powers or whatever, as you can see on the face chart. So I'm going to take a liner brush and I'm going to take the white from the CC Beauty cream palette. Alright. So I did my other eye. I'm so mad because it looks pink on camera, but it like looks red in real life. So I'm just like annoyed because I wish it looked like red on camera, because like that's the whole point. But now we're gonna do under eye. In my face chart I have a wing liner, but I really don't want to do a wing liner, so I honestly don't think that I'm going to. So yeah, let's just do my bottom lashes. I think this will look good with no like wing as well. So as you can see in the face chart, basically my bottom lash line is going to be kind of like straight, if that makes sense. So first I'm going to take Hot Stuff from the Beauty Bay palette. Basically the only part where it's kind of like touching the eye is right in the middle right here. And then we're going to continue straight. So we're basically not going to curve it to the eye. We're going to just continue straight. And now I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution palette and I'm going to take the darkest red. Now for lips, we're going to do like, I look kind of crazy right now, but now for lips we're going to do like an ombre lip. So first we're going to take Cherry Skies from NYX. And now when that's dry, I'm going to take the black from the Beauty Bay palette and go around the outside. Okay, and I need to very lightly do this because my lips aren't very big, so if I do too much then the red will like go away. So now I'm going to take a little bit of my concealer, the Juvia's Place concealer, and I'm going to put it in the middle. Okay guys, so I just went off camera, put on a lash, and yeah, this is the finished look. I actually really like it. If you guys are wondering, it's a little lopsided because I actually made this. I made this out of like foam. I'll leave the tutorial down below because I used this tutorial like from the YouTube channel Prop Way. I love their channel. I also made like a Loki one for my Loki video, and I used the same channel's like tutorial and template and stuff, so that'll be linked down below. But yeah, this is the finished Scarlet Witch makeup look. I just added a little bit of red gems on the bottom and some like ones on the top so it'll sparkle. Like I said, I wish the eyeshadow was more red, but it kind of matches the whole crown thing. But yeah, if it looks a little bit weird on my head, I was literally sitting here for like an hour. I was like having an anxiety attack going through all this stuff because it wasn't like turning out right on my head. So I was like, I just have to figure it out because I have like so much like hair, like my hair is so big, so it's like hard to figure out stuff like this. So I finally did it, so I hope it looks good to you guys. But yeah, this is the finished Scarlet Witch makeup look. I love it so much. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. I hope you guys liked it as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you recreate this look, like the face chart look, you know what I mean, not Scarlet Witch in general, because like that don't got nothing to do with me, but if you guys recreate my face chart look, I would love to see it. You can tag me on Instagram or my other social medias that'll be on the screen right here. They'll also be linked down below. So yeah, I'm super excited to continue making these Spooktorial videos. There's not that many left, so if you want to watch them when they get uploaded, make sure to turn on my post notifications so you don't miss out. This is episode 6, so obviously there was 5 other episodes before this. If you want to watch the other episodes in this series, it'll be linked down below, and then depending on when you watch this video, the rest of the series will be linked down below as well. Like, it's all one playlist, but depending on when you watch this video, then the other videos will be out as well. If you want to watch Spooktorial season 1, that's also linked down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and like I said, turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload so you don't miss another spooky video, because we got some good ones coming up and I'm really excited. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.